So instead of giving any other gift, please pick up a lot of books, and every time you give a gift, give this, and I'm sure it's going to help a lot of people discover themselves and become better versions of themselves. Thank you so much.
There is a little bit of an emergency, so I would request Honorable CM now to say a few words. We have to just cut the program a bit shorter, and I would request the young and dynamic Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendraji Fadnavis, to express his views.
Thank you, Krishna.
The Honorable Chief Minister Devendraji Fadnavis is releasing the book My Path to Prajna, authored by Leena Prabhu.
दादा बैठ जाओ स्टिल दादा एमडी है पीछे भाई 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 ये स्टिल ओ स्टिल दादा
Hello.
My colleague, Minister for Tourism, Jay Kumar Rawal ji, Ashish Shelar ji,
हेलो
Chief Secretary of Maharashtra, Sumit Malik ji, Jagdish Patil ji, Sudhir Mishra ji, legendary Dilip Vengsarkar, Karsan Ghavri, Amitabh Gupta, Dilip Tahil, Chetan Bhinde, author of this book, Mrs. Leena Prabhu Hegde. Also, I could see Vinod Kamli, all the dignitaries present here. Friends, I would like to congratulate Shrimati Leena Prabhu for writing such a great book, which, as rightly said by Dr. Shetty, looks within. My path to Pratnya. What is Pratnya? I think there can be many manifestations of Pratnya. But Pratnya is something where you understand yourself. It's a process to achieve knowledge. Of late, we misled ourselves knowledge with information. There's a lot of information available around the world, but all information is not knowledge. Knowledge is something which really makes you arrive, makes you understand. And I think journey of Leena ji, while counseling people, while interacting with people, while training people, it's not only a journey to understand people, but while understanding people, she could also look within. She could also understand herself. And I think it is that journey which explains everybody the questions which almost every single person arrives at some point of time in his life. And I think what she has understood, what she has authored, is something which will give a realistic reply to everyone. I've just gone cursorily through the book. I have not read it, but what I could gather through this book is it's not only important to be trained to know things, but equally important to succeed is to have emotional and spiritual quotient. A person may get a lot of trainings, he may be expert, but unless the emotional quotient and the spiritual quotient is there, is never complete. And I think that is emphasized through this book. I would like to congratulate Leena ji for authoring such a great book, and I promise her that I'll read it completely, although right now I've gone through it cursorily. Krishna gave it to me a few days back. So one night I just went through it cursorily, and I found it really interesting. You know, these were the times of elections, so I could not take out time to read it totally. But I am fond of reading, and so I'll personally read it. At the same time, I would also like to congratulate Chetan Bhende for giving this gift to Mumbai. I think the way this will transform the tourism into Mumbai, I think our Minister for Tourism must be very happy. And for past 2 years, Chetan has visited me at least 50 times. And I don't know how many permissions, Chetan, you were stuck into? Sir, only 108. So, even today, those who are questioning whether Chetan has all permissions or not, let me tell you, he has obtained 108 permissions. Because he wanted me to inaugurate this 1 year back. And I told him, until you get last permission, I'm not going to come. And I'm really amazed the way he followed up with every department. But that also gives a task to our Honorable Chief Secretary and our Minister for Tourism that we need to cut these permissions from 108 to 8 or 10. And I think we are already working on it. But you know, these type of things are quite new in Mumbai and in India, because I'm told this is the first flotel in the entire country. So hopefully Chetan, the second entrepreneur who will venture into such flotel, will not have to obtain so many permissions and will not have to wait for 2 years. But I really congratulate you. I salute the way you have followed up everything, and I feel that this is a very good addition to the tourism of Mumbai. Tourism of Mumbai will get a boost through this flotel. So I think it's a program where we are combining two things. On one hand, we get to see such a good flotel, and Leena ji, I think you are also fortunate that for the first time any author's book is being published on a flotel. So it's also a history. It will go down for a long time in history. Congratulations to Leena ji, congratulations to Chetan, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
I thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra. I thank BJP Mumbai President Shri Ashish Shelar, our Minister for Tourism Jai Kumar Ji Rawal, and all the dignitaries on the dais. And I would like Leena to give a vote of thanks and conclude the program.
Thank you, everybody.